Dear students, yesterday we have done half of the poem Abu Ben Adam. Abu Ben Adam, may his tribe in Greece. There may be many more people like Abu Ben Adam. That was the beginning. He woke up one night from a deep dream of peace, and in the moonlight in his room he saw an angel writing in a golden book. And he asked the angel, "What art thou writing?" And the angel replied saying, "I am writing the names of those who love the Lord." That is where we stopped. We shall continue from there. And is mine one, said Abu. Here said means asked. And is mine one. That is my name in the list of those who love the Lord? Nay, not so, replied the angel. So when Abu asked, is my name in the list of people who love the Lord? Angel said, sorry. No, it is not there. Your name is not there. Nay. Nay means no. It's opposite to ya. Normally we say ya means yes. No means no. Ya and nay. Nay. No. It is not there. Your name is not there. The angel replied. Abu spoke more low, but cheerily still, and said, I pray thee then, write me as one that loves his fellow men. So, when the angel replied saying that his name is not in the list of those who love the Lord, Abu said, I pray thee then, I pray thee then. I pray means I request you. I plead you. In that case, that is, if my name is not in the list of people who love the Lord, write me as one that loves his fellow men. Write me as one who loves his fellow men. For fellow men means other people. So when angel replied, Abu spoke more low. What is the meaning of speak low? L-O-W. Low means, it can mean different things. It can mean a husky voice in low levels of loudness. It was not very loud and very high, but low levels of loudness. It can also mean humbly, with lot of humility. So with lot of humility he said, write me as one that loves his fellow men. Write my name as one who loves others. Was he disappointed? Looks he was a bit disappointed. But he did not lose hope. How do we know? But cheerily still. Cheerily means heartily or optimistic. Abu was still optimistic because he believed that the angel will write his name in another list, that is, the list of people who love their fellow men. So, he was disappointed but did not lose hope completely. He was still optimistic and he requested the angel to write his name in another list, that is, list of people who love their fellow men. The angel wrote and vanished. Angel wrote and vanished. Angel wrote Abu's name as one who loves his fellow men, one who loves others. Then vanished. Vanished means disappear. Disappear. Cease to see. Vanished. The angel disappeared. It came again with with a great awakening light. The angel wrote and vanished. The next night, it came again. The very next night, it came again. Here it means the angel. The angel came again the next night. How did it come? With a great awakening light. Awakening light is bright light. Bright light that awoke Abu Ben Adam. With awakening light means bright light that woke up Abu Ben Adam. And showed the names whom love of God had blessed. Abu is waiting to know whether his name is written in the list of people who love their fellow men. But to his great surprise, angel showed another list, a third list. He showed the names whom love of God had blessed. Blessed means blessed. B-L-E-S-S-E-D. Normally when we pronounce the word B-L-E-S-S-E-D, blessed, as verb, it is pronounced as blessed, not blessed, blessed. But as an adjective, it is blessed. So, blessed means blessed. God blesses with boons or with good qualities. So his name was included in the third list. The third list comprised of people whom love of God has blessed. Whom God loves. Love of God has blessed means the list of people whom God loves. And lo, Ben Adam's name led all the rest. And lo, lo means expression of wonder, surprise, something like hey, ha, well, like that. And well, his name was leading all the rest. Ben Adam's name led all the rest. Led means to come first. The rest means others belonging to the list. Here what is the list? The list of people whom God has blessed. In that list, Abu Ben Adam's name was the first. His name led all the other names. So that is the poem. Very interesting one. The conclusion is this: love humans. Love human beings. You should love human beings and spread love, fraternity and brotherhood. You can, brotherhood when you say, sisters are also included. So spread love, fraternity and brotherhood. It's a very popular theme, especially in our country. In every language there is equivalent sayings. It's Vivekananda who said, love of mankind is love of God. Love of mankind is love of God. In Telugu we have Manava Sevaye Madhava Seva. In Hindi, what do you say? Manushya ki seva, Bhagwan ki seva hai. It's a very popular theme. When we laugh at this, God will laugh us. We should have a quick look at the question answers. In your workbook, yesterday we did question number 1. Today we'll go to question number 2. In that first one, the passage is unto the presence in the room, he said, and ending with, write me as one that loves his fellow men. What is referred to as the presence in the above extract? The angel is referred to as the presence in the extract. What does Abu say to the presence? Abu told the presence to write his name as one who loves his fellow men. Next question. What is the vision referred to here? The vision referred to here is the angel. Why does it raise its head? It draws its head to answer Abu Ben Adam's question. What does the angel tell Abu Ben Adam in the above extract? The angel told Abu Ben Adam that he was writing the names of those who love the Lord. And he also said that Abu's name was not in the list. What does Abu curiously ask the angel? Abu asked the angel if his name was included in the list of people who love the Lord. What makes Abu low? What made Abu low was the answer of the angel that Abu's name was not in the list of people who loved the Lord. Next question. Does Abu feel disheartened? Did he lose heart? Disheartened at the angel's reply. Abu was discouraged but did not lose hope and cheer. What does Abu, how do you know? What does Abu request the angel? Okay. How do you know that he did not lose heart? Because he still spoke cheerily. What does Abu request the angel to do? Abu requested the angel to write his name as one who loves his fellow men. That is question number 2. We'll go to question number 3. The extract is, the angel wrote and vanished until the end. And lo, when Adam's name led all the rest. That passage. Question number 1. What did the angel write? The angel wrote, Abu was one who loves his fellow men. Describe what happened the night after the angel vanished. The angel vanished on the first night, and the next night he again appeared with an awakening light. Briefly give a character sketch of Abu Ben Adam. What do you think about Abu Ben Adam's character? Abu Ben was a devoted person who thought that he loved God, but surely he did love his fellow men. It's very simple and ordinary in his lifestyle, and he was other-centered, interested in helping others. Explain the following lines. First one, A. It came again with a great awakening light. Here it refers to the angel coming for the second time, and it awoke Abu Ben Adam from his sleep with awakening light. And lo, when Abu Ben Adam's name led all the rest. Yet explain. Abu had requested the angel to write his name as one who loved his fellow men, but his name was included in a new list of people whom love of God has blessed, and Abu Ben Adam's name was the first. What did the angel show Abu? The angel showed the names whom love of God had blessed. How can you look at the extract as the climax in the poem? Important question. This extract is the climax as it reaches the peak experience wherein Abu feels he is very important. The word lo adds to it as he finds himself leading the list of people blessed by the Lord. Therefore, it is a climax. And last question, on the basis of the above extract, bring out the main theme of the poem. What is the main theme of the poem given the extract? The main theme of the poem is love for one's fellow men. It is difficult to love God who is unseen when we are unable to love our fellow men whom we can see. We cannot see God, And therefore it's difficult to love God. Whereas we can see people. And in spite of that, if we are not able to love our fellow men, that is not the right thing. We must be able to love people whom we can see. When we love our fellow men, automatically we love God, and God will love and bless us. So we need to love our fellow men and do good to others, and God will automatically love us and bless us. That's all. Thank you.